সম্মানিত সুধী মণ্ডলী, এই শুভক্ষণে এই শুভ মুহূর্তে কুয়াশার চাদরে মোড়া এই স্বর্ণালী সন্ধ্যায় বটতলা কৃষ্টি সংসদ আয়োজিত সুরে ছন্দে সৃষ্টির আনন্দে কৃষ্টি উৎসব 2024 অনুষ্ঠানের দ্বিতীয় বর্ষে তৃতীয় দিনে একেবারে চূড়ান্ত পর্যায়ে এসে আমরা উপনীত হয়েছি। পৌঁছে গেছি সময়ের সিঁড়ি বেয়ে অনুষ্ঠানের অন্তিম লগ্নে। এই শীতের রাতে শীতের যাবতীয় প্রতিকূল পরিস্থিতিকে এবং শীতের যাবতীয় প্রতিবন্ধকতাকে উপেক্ষা করে আপনারা যেভাবে এবং গত দুদিন ধরে এবং এখনো পর্যন্ত আপনারা যেভাবে আমাদেরকে সাহায্য সহযোগিতা করে চলেছেন তা সত্যিই প্রশংসনীয়, প্রশংসার দাবি রাখে। আর এই বর্ণাঢ্যময় ঐতিহ্যবাহী অনুষ্ঠানকে, প্রাণবন্ত অনুষ্ঠানকে আরো প্রাণবন্ত করে তুলতে আপনারা যারা যে যে সেক্টর থেকে আমাদেরকে সাহায্য সহযোগিতা করেছেন, মেধা দিয়ে, শ্রম দিয়ে, অর্থ দিয়ে, প্যান্ডেল দিয়ে, আলোকসজ্জা দিয়ে এবং সর্বশেষে সর্বোপরি শ্রুতিমধুর আওয়াজ দিয়ে আপনাদের সকলকে জানাই বটতলা কৃষ্টি সংসদের একজন অ্যাক্টিভ মেম্বার হয়ে বটতলা কৃষ্টি সংসদের পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদের জন্য একটা স্নিগ্ধতা, মুগ্ধতা এবং অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ, অশেষ কৃতজ্ঞতা। উপস্থিত সুধী মণ্ডলী সে একই সঙ্গে at the same time I would like to congratulate and I would like to thank, I would like to lot of thanks to the President of Bottola Christi Sangsad, to the Vice President of Bottola Christi Sangsad, and all the members and the chairperson of this colorful event. And we are really grateful, I am really grateful, Bottola Spoken English Coaching Center really grateful to all of you for giving us such a wonderful opportunity, for giving us such an excellent platform to show our beautiful talent in front of you. Anyway, without taking too much time, because there are so many events still left, so I don't have too much time, so we have to stop here. Now I would like to invite one and only and very talented, very smart, multi-talented, the local girl and the first girl of my coaching institute, Miss Ayushi Shankar. Please come forward and take your position. And our another brilliant, such a good looking Miss Arpita, please come forward and take your position. Stand next to Ayushi. And our another very talented multi-talented smart boy, Mr. Dilshan Malika. Please come forward and stand next to Arpita. And our last and final candidate of this wonderful event, rising star Namita Uday Devnath. So please come forward and take your position. So without wasting time, I would like to Ayushi, please. You have microphone? Okay, thank you. So first of all, please introduce yourself. Please tell us something about yourself. Start.
Good evening, everyone. It is a pleasure to me to be part of this excellent event. My name is Ayushi Shankar, a student of class 5 of Shurovistan Bhuvan Mohini Girls High School, and I am from a beautiful place, very small place named Batkulla Shurovistan in Nadia district. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Please pass the microphone. Make it fast. We don't have too much time. Arpita Roy, please introduce yourself, Arpita.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Please take my heartiest love and congratulations and ovations. It is very special day for us. My name is Arpita Roy, a student of class 7 of Anjangar High School, and I am from a beautiful place named Gangni in Nadia district. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Mr. Dilshan, please tell us something about yourself.
Good evening, everyone. It's a great pleasure to me to be part of this beautiful event, excellent event. My name is Dilshan Malika, a student of class 7 of Godapata Junior High School. Today, we are here to celebrate our event.
Thank you. Next.
beautiful place, a very small place named Godapata in your district.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Uday, please introduce yourself.
Hello, good evening everybody. It's a great honor for me to stand in front of you, and I am highly glad to be part of this wonderful event, to be part of this beautiful program. Please take my heartiest love, congratulations and obeisance. My name is Uday Devnath, a student of class 8 of Batkula United Academy. I am from a very beautiful place, a very small place named Doshatina in Nadia district. Okay, thank you so much everyone.
Okay, thank you. আমরা একটু পরিচয় পর্ব সেরে মূল অনুষ্ঠানে ফিরে যাব। Please now get back to your seat and please take your position. Okay, please start.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir. You're welcome to our student. How can I help you?
Can I have a table for two?
Oh, sure. Please follow me. Here is your table. Please have a seat here.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are most welcome.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I have the menu card, please?
Oh, sure. Here is your main card, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are most welcome. Sorry, ma'am. Can I have the one more menu card, please? Oh, sure. Here is your menu card, please. You are most welcome. Sir, would you like to order something, please?
Oh, yes, ma'am. What do you have for breakfast? I mean, what are available for breakfast right now?
We have cheese, sandwich, pizza, burger, soup are available right now. What would you like to have for breakfast, sir?
I will have a soup and a stir fry.
Okay. And ma'am, you? Any kind of drinks are available right now? Sorry, ma'am. I mean, what kind of drinks are available right now? We have tea, coffee, cappuccino, latte and soft drinks are available right now. What kind of drinks would you like to have, ma'am? I'll have cup of coffee. Okay. Ma'am, would you like to add anything else? No, enough for right now. If anything requirement, I will order you. Okay. I will bring your order shortly. Excuse me, ma'am, can I have the menu card, please? Oh, sure. Excuse me, sir, can I have the menu card, please?
Oh, sure.
Excuse me, sir, here is the order, please. Excuse me, ma'am, here is the order, please. Sorry, ma'am, I didn't order this. Oh, sorry. I am extremely sorry. I have made a mistake. I am changing your order within 5 minutes. It's okay, ma'am, no problem. I don't have too much time. I'll have tea instead of coffee. Can I change my order, please? Oh, sure, you can change your order, no problem. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I have the bill, please? Oh, sure. Here is your bill, please.
সরি বিলটা নিয়ে তুমি চালাও।
Ticket. How do you pay the bill? By hand cash or online transaction?
Let me pay the bill. Ma'am, I will pay the bill by online transaction.
Okay. Please take it. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Please visit again.
Thank you.
You're most welcome.
Excuse me,
Yes, sir.
how was the food, sir?
Food is so delicious.
How did you feel to come our restaurant, ma'am?
It is very nice.
Okay. Please visit our restaurant again.
Thank you.
ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। আমরা চমৎকার সময়ের একটা সুন্দর উপস্থাপনা দেখলাম শর্ট টাইমে। আর আমরা টিমমেট একটু সময় নিতে চাইছি, একটা ক্লাস করবে ছেলেটা অনেক দূর থেকে এসছে, আমিও জানি আপনারা অনেক দূর থেকে